I don't have garage space today, so we're working outside. But it's a beautiful day outside. Um, we've got a little cold front. So, as you know, I did the good old walnut blast recently, and that kind of I don't want to do it every like 6 months or so or whatever. I know I'm gonna have to keep doing it, but I obviously you've already seen it. I've got myself a little rep Burger Motorsports catch can to install, and luckily it is super easy to install. So easy a caveman can do it. Isn't that a old Geico commercial? Anyways, so basically it's gonna sit somewhere around, so this will likely go right around here, right? And it's got this neat little bracket that actually holds it in place too. Even though this is all super not going to be seen once all the cowls and stuff are on, but basically this is supposed to go like that. And this it's probably going to have to go on this side actually, because there is not enough space for me to put this and clamp it. Well, that's not good. Alright, what if I do one of these? I think it's because this bar is more round than the 335s and such. So if I mount this guy right about here, I think. Alright, so that'll at least keep it hanging. But over here, I'm gonna be lazy because I don't feel like doing this. But you're supposed to take these out, right? These, oh man, this one's already all fucking broken. So that's cool. Alright, so just like I thought I was gonna have to do to make this easier for myself, basically just cut a slit. You know? I'm not gonna reuse this line, so there's no point in me trying to get this to come out all nice when I'm never gonna use it again. There's just 0 point. Logistically, it makes 0 sense. So basically, just come in here, go with the razor, follow, let it do its thing. Maybe go over it again, just to really get that slit in there. See? So, like I said, slit, cut this out. See all of the oil in there? Probably can't, but it's oily. So, don't need that. Whatever. Now, this is where we get to plan everything. And this is how it's basically going to go. I'm going to set this camera down somewhere so that it stays. And then I'll show you this. This guy's going to go on the intake hose side, right? So this is the outlet side. And I guess I'll do this before we put this on. Don't make that mistake again. Oh, and there goes my camera, of course. Classic me. Yeah, the way that these go in, there's definitely no need for these clamps, but whatever. We're still gonna use them. Okay. This guy all in. All right, now this part, the fun part. This is the part that sucks because this is where you gotta measure just how much of this hose you're gonna use. And now that goes back down that way, I can cut the excess, connect it in, hose clamp it in, we're good to go. So we'll go right around this rib right here, this clamp on, loosen it a pretty decent amount. And then just like that, and that's it. It is as simple as that. Catch can installed. See the outlet routes back into the intake. Inlet goes from the crankcase out into here. Goes into here. That's it, man. So now you can put all of this stuff back together, which takes seconds to do, thanks to me having to do this a million times for various reasons. Ugh. A bug just crawled into my engine bay, by the way, or into my filter box area. Also, one prereq I did on the valve cover, this is the back side, you can see, I cut this little piece off in the back because it would run into the hoses back there. So as you see, this can go in just fine, and the hoses are unaffected. But I need to put the rest of the stuff that I left off in preparation for putting it all back together. Because I knew I was gonna remove all this stuff again. So I was like, there's no way that I'm gonna do this twice. Put all this in, this in. Just like that. Oh, my bad. Sorry, car. That's in. And now, what catch can? I don't see no catch can. Oh, there's the catch can. Very cool. Very stealthy. Very, it is what it is. So, quick and easy install, like I said. You guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, do whatever it is to get me all the engagement that I need. We're almost at 1,000 followers, and I'm almost halfway with the watch time hours, so let's get some money.